Fuel's on, bags are off. Jeez, ready? Watch your eyes, they're gonna burn.
Here we have the incredible Jimmy Bartoli, about ready to warm the motor of the incredible machine.
Pick their number. Can I hit that starting line?
First round of
Close to
alcohol
that green light
hydros.
coming on as possible. Here they come. And Bartoli. Now, not as quick as he was yesterday, but look at a mile an hour. And problems for the machine in the shutdown area. Here I am looking at the ET numbers as the boat comes apart at the top end. We see the capsule.
Now it's rolling over and drowning. Should have done that.
So the rescue crews up in the shutdown area Jimmy Bartoli goes through at a 571, 216.88 miles an hour, 573, 212.28. It looked like Bob Pizza had his parachute out early. I then glanced down to the computer screen, being in the right-hand side of the timing truck, and looked like about at least an eighth of a mile past the finish line. Problems set in. on the Rescue 1 boat. They will take the driver to our medical compound. Give you a condition of the driver as soon as we know it here at the tower.
There is no, they're not getting in a big hurry, so it must be alright.
So again, the one of the plus factors here at the facility on Chowchilla, the depth of the water is not excessive.